Today's video we have listed some NASA technologies that we use in our daily life. Digital image sensor. The selfies you take every day, the photos you take using a DSLR, or the action videos you record using GoPro, all of these are using NASA technology. CMOS pixel sensors that are used in almost all digital camera devices were discovered by NASA. This technology is also developed for medical purposes to detect disease. Infant formula milk. While preparing supplies for the Mars mission, researchers from NASA discovered a natural source of omega-3 fatty acids, which previously exists only in breast milk. This omega-3 fatty acids is also the most important ingredients in baby growth. Thus, it can be said that NASA accidentally found a new trend in producing omega-3 fatty acids, which help people who can provide enough breast milk to their baby. Thanks to NASA, all moms in the world now can buy an instant formula milk. Memory foam. Memory foam is a foam that can adjust your body shape. This is because memory foam reacts with our body heat. This technology was invented by NASA researchers who were looking for ways to make pilots more comfortable during their flight into space. Now memory foam is used for beds, sofas, shoes, cinema chairs, and even helmets. Food safety standard. To ensure food remains safe and healthy when taken into space, NASA, in collaborations with the Pillsbury Company, has successfully developed a system called Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points, or HACCP. These systems are now used around the world to pack food ingredients, or the food itself. UV reflecting lenses and anti-scratch lenses. In the late 70s, a scratch-resistant coating was developed by researchers at the Ames Research Center to protect helmet glass of an astronaut. In the 80s, NASA also developed an ultraviolet filter lens, which aims to protect the eyes of their astronaut. This technology then led to various products we use today, such as sunglasses, sky goggles, and goggles for welding activities. Anti-fire clothes. NASA developed a textile made from polymer for astronaut clothing. Apparently, the material is heat-resistant and resistant to fire. The material is then developed and is now used in various products, including fire-resistant clothes for firefighter, military, and clothes for racers. Tool with battery. NASA teamed up with electronic company Black & Decker to make electronics that run on batteries. The tools were developed to make them easy to carry missions to the moon for the preparations of the Apollo satellite. In the end, these tools are actually used in our everyday life, one of which is the Dust Buster, a cordless vacuum cleaner.